So parents, here's a question for you. How safe are your kids at college? I had a little bit of a shakeup last week when there was an armed home invasion at the college where my son goes. He was 2 blocks from the home where it happened, and 11 women that lived in this kind of multi-level house were held under gunpoint while their home was robbed. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but hearing the address on the news and knowing that my son was like 1.5 blocks to 2 blocks away was really unsettling. So it left me wondering, how safe is the apartment complex that he is in? Now, they were in a private home, and my son is in a building that has multiple doors, that need priority code access to get to his apartment. But where are your kids at school? What kind of security is there on the dorm, the off-campus apartment? And this doesn't just apply to kids in dorms. It can apply to a lot of living situations. And with just the unsettling atmosphere in the nation today, people are desperate, and desperation drives violence. So I wanted to talk to you about some simple, easy ways that you can add more security to your life that are affordable and very DIY doable. So make sure you subscribe, because that's the kind of stuff that I want to bring to people. It is practical, affordable, things that you can do to make your life easier, safer, better, less stressful. Again, my whole focus is saving you money, stress, and time. So my son is on a first floor apartment. He does have access right from the street to his apartment, and he has iron gates on those windows. But I said to him, is there any type of lock or latch inside? And I really am kicking myself because I never paid enough attention a year ago when he moved in. So he showed me a video of his latching, or I should say not latching gates. So I bought a carabiner hook with a twisting lock. This way he could close the latch on the steel gate and then simply put the carabiner hook through and twist it. This means no one can open it easily from the outside. Now, they could reach through and try to figure it out, but if you don't know it's there, it's going to slow you down and make it a lot more difficult for you to get in. He knows that it's there. He knows how to open it. So in the case there is a fire and he needs to exit, he knows how to get it open. It literally, you twist and pull down. So it's easy and quick for him to exit. So the next product that I decided to install in my son's apartment were window alarms. Now, I bought these window alarms online. You got a 10-pack for $40. These were higher rated than some of the other ones that I have seen in the past and used. So I decided to get these. What you do is take the 2 sections. You have the sensor and the alarm itself, and they get mounted, one on the stationary part of the window or door, and the other on the movable part. So when these 2 items become separated, the alarm will sound. Now, the alarms that I bought do not go to a monitoring station. They do not summon the police. The convenient thing here is that it has a little button on the side, so you can set it. This would not be something that would work when you're out of the apartment. This is the kind of thing that you set when you are in the room or in the apartment. So you can't set it from outside. So you can leave these on your windows, and then on your door, you would only set it at night when you were in for the night. Press the button, it's now on, it's activated. I will not set this off on camera because it is literally as loud as any standard security system. So I will spare you that. Here are the batteries. It comes with hearing aid style batteries. It comes with pre-cut adhesives. Again, 10 of these for $40. I have 3 of them in my son's apartment, and I have 3 in my son and his fiance's apartment, and I have 3 more for my other son to take back to his apartment when he goes back to college. Why not? Why not just have that simple little trigger to go off and send somebody headed away from your kids instead of pursuing a robbery or a break-in of any sort? So Don't forget though, the most important thing that you can do is to make sure that your windows are closed and locked on the first floor of your home especially. Now, there's another device that I found that we're implementing at one of the apartments, and this is a doorstop alarm. Very cool, runs on a 9-volt battery, and you literally set it at the door. And when the door swings open, it hits it, presses, and an alarm is sound. So where would you use this? Airbnbs, vacation rentals, an apartment, a dorm, a hotel room. It's very light, it's compact, you can throw it in your suitcase and you can take it with. So it just adds another layer of security. So consider some of these devices. They're not very expensive and they'll give you peace of mind, because we all know that nothing really matters more than our safety and our well-being and our mental health. So do what you need to do to feel safe and sleep well at night, and know too that your kids are safe. So make sure you hit the subscribe. We're going to have more content coming this winter on safety, weatherization, and keeping pests out of your house.